The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Tuesday morning? It is the 30th day of January, 5 minutes after 4 o'clock in the morning, temperature 37, wind chill factor 31, and a cold day ahead. Now, on these videos, I have used the term temperature roller coaster a lot this year, right? But this is truly going to be a temperature roller coaster. Wait till you see the graph and you'll say, yep, that's a roller coaster. I mean, we bottom out today and tonight and then zoom up again tomorrow, and there's 3 fronts on the way over the next 10 days. Each of them have rain. We'll tell you about that, and we'll look at the timeline. And by the way, we had kind of a awful Sunday weather last week, and I think we're going to do that again. Plus the latest on that supermoon. Fortunately, the weather is going to cooperate for that. Here we go. A cold dome of high pressure is centered right over the nation's heartland, and we're on the cold side of that, so that circulates that chilly wind into Alabama during the daytime hours today. So the cold air is all the way from the Great Lakes all the way down to the Gulf Coast in northern Florida, but it's a quick shot of cold air, and that warmer air in Texas arrives tomorrow afternoon. So sunny, breezy, cold today. I don't think we make it out of the 40s, and northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour will add insult to injury, making it seem colder. Tonight's low 26. In fact, I've got 20s all the way down to the Gulf Coast tomorrow morning, and even low to mid 20s across North Alabama. So after a frigid morning start tomorrow, we'll see a nice afternoon bounce back as south and southwesterly winds take over. And here's Thursday afternoon. It's a warmer day, but a chance of showers increasing later in the day and towards Thursday evening. Here's Thursday midnight. The front makes it into southeast Alabama, the latest cold front, and some snow teasing the Tennessee Valley region up in North Alabama. Friday morning, the showers are just about out of the state, and that sets up another brisk day, a raw, chilly, breezy day with high temperatures barely in the low to mid 50s at most. And then a cold Saturday morning leads to an afternoon warm-up. We start to bounce back again out ahead of the next front, which will bring us another wet Sunday. This is Super Bowl Sunday, and it looks like a good chance of rain just about any time Sunday night into Monday morning as the front moves through and some more colder air starts to establish itself. How much rain? Not a lot of rain with all these with these 3 fronts coming in, but maybe a half an inch in some places a little bit more than that. So we have 59 tomorrow after a morning low of 26, and then a good chance of rain by Thursday evening, Thursday night into Friday morning. Friday is a brisk day, then back to freezing on Saturday morning, an afternoon warm-up in the upper 50s, and then more rain as we get towards Saturday night into Sunday. And the European, I just love this. Look at the crazy ups and downs, a roller coaster ride over the next 10 days, and you see the storm systems there Thursday night into Friday morning, front number 1, Saturday night into Sunday, front number 2, and then Tuesday, February 6th, front number 3. So you have the coldest days today, and again Friday, and again around Monday. And so ups and downs will continue in our forecast. Strap yourself in. Hey, that supermoon tomorrow morning begins with a partial eclipse in the morning hours, just before sunrise, just for a few minutes. A partial eclipse in this part of the world before sunrise. Then sunset on Wednesday night, 5:17, moonrise 5:42. The what was it? Super blood moon. That's what it is. And it's a blue moon because it is the second moon, full moon in the month of January. You got all that? I know, that's a lot, right? Our weather app keeps you on top of all the crazy weather changes over the next several days, and you can get it on your phone or tablet today. It's free in the App Store. It has a lot of great features, including advanced interactive radar that takes you down to the neighborhood level. Get it on your phone now. Just search Rich Thomas Weather. So one more thing, I mean, we're going to see all these ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs over the next 10 days. But what I don't see yet is that pipeline, that gigantic pipeline from the pole all the way down to the Gulf Coast that stays open continuously for a couple of weeks like we did at Christmas time, actually more than a couple of weeks, right? Continuing to watch for that. I think it's going to happen at some point. I just don't see it yet. Hey, I'm live on the radio this morning with Greg J. and Emily and Bailey at News Talk 93.1 from 6 to 9 a.m. I hope you join us. Your forecast, whenever you're out and about, is on the air only about 256 times a day across 8 radio stations twice an hour. And we'll have another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. on what will be the last day of January. Wow. It's good to get January under our belt, though, right? February, there's hope that spring is not too far away. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.